Some residents in Cascade, St. Anne, who were recently arrested for breaching the curfew hours on Heroes Day are crying foul this evening. They're accusing the lawmen of lying about the details of what took place during the melee. Shamela Pullen reports.
The drama unfolded Sunday, October 18, after the St. Anne police and residents in Cascade had a confrontation regarding breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. 11 persons were arrested for not adhering to the 3 p.m. curfew time. When TVJ News visited the community on Friday, Indicom was seen collecting statements. The residents were still upset. They complained that since the incident, the police made 2 additional visits to the area. Minette MacDonald, one of the persons who got arrested, showed boot prints on 2 doors in her house, which she said were kicked open by the police. A room in the house was ransacked.
On Tuesday, my husband went to a court in Brownstown. He hold on him. So when he hold on him now, my husband called me. When he called me now and went there, they hold on me. When the rest of relatives came, they hold on them also. So we went and get locked up from Tuesday until Thursday. They say me bridge the curfew. So when I was locked up, they called me and tell me that the police them kick off my place, kick off the whole of my place and mash up my place.
The residents told TVJ News the entire community has been traumatized by the series of events by the police. They accused the lawmen of verbally and physically abusing them.
The youth them sit down on advance side of the pass on wood. And he come back and take up the youth and jar the youth on the road and beat him, broke him foot, bust up his head. 27 stitches youth have in his head, you know, and broke foot. And in there, then take him, lock him up for on Tuesday. In a jail now, how am I feeling the pain there? Why help him feel the pain there? So we're not all right.
Believe me, Jamaica, when I hear they lick them every blood vein in me, shut up. I am so traumatized right now.
The residents also refuted claims of attacking and assaulting the police. They're calling for dialogue with the police as they maintain that they're innocent.
The policeman tell lie. Lie them and tell Pawi. We don't trouble them. And them come and trouble we in a 2:30 Sunday evening.
There were nobody saying nothing. Everybody come out tight-lipped and up and look. Me was the only person who using my hand like this. Who using my hand like this? Who using my hand like this? I never touch him. And then charge me for then charging me for whatever. I not even know.
We don't take it, brother. We want justice for it. You see it? We want justice for it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.